Previously.
Holding you ransom until we get Jeep discounts.
You need to get a hold of Jesse. I don't make those kind of calls. I don't have that type of... I can't make those calls. You don't know.
That's no excuse.
Calls. No, please. No. I don't even care. Can I just get some water? You guys... I don't want up my nose. I didn't even get to drink any water.
What Jeep discounts?
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say.
Oh crap, it's Wednesday. I forgot to call for the ransom on Colton.
Jesse Wassell's office.
I need to talk to Jesse.
May I ask who's calling?
Don't worry about it.
Please hold.
Come on!
Hello?
Jesse, I have your brother.
Who is this?
No, if you want him back, it'll cost you big time.
Cost me what?
Well, you saw already tortured him. Do you want your brother back? $10 million.
Haha, I'm not paying $10 million for him.
Alright, how about $1 million then?
No, I'm not even paying $1 million for him.
Hold on. You can't do $1 million? A dozen donuts and $1,000. You can have him back. I don't want him anymore. He's kind of starting to get annoying.
We're getting closer, but I ain't giving you any money for him.
Well, okay, hold on. You guys work on cars, right?
Yeah, we're an off-road shop. We do builds and repairs and maintenance. Why?
Can I get my oil changed at least?
An oil change. Oh, you know how much oil is nowadays? Yeah, but I'm not putting synthetic in. Conventional? Yeah. And I'm giving you a cheap filter too.
Yeah, that'll be fine. Okay.
Okay. Deal. All right. Hop online to summit4x4company.com and book your appointment. One of our advisors will reach out to you shortly. All right. Have a good day.
Oh, what a week.
Welcome back, everybody, to another walkthrough of the shop. We're going to go interview a couple of the techs today. Might be a little short and sweet. Let's see what's going on. It's my specialty. And I'm not referring to my stature. Or Austin's. Austin? Hi. Nice drag link. It's got a sweet shaft on it. I have an interesting mic for you today. So tell us a bit about what you're doing. Oh! No, now my feelings are hurt.
Is that too much?
Tell us a little bit about what you got going on this one today, dude.
Doing a bunch of kind of maintenance. We got a RPM steering, and we replaced all the end links or the rod ends on it.
Nice.
We did new U-joints in the axle shafts. We did inner axle seals. Trying to think what else. We did new sway bar end links, front and rear, and we're doing new New lower control arms.
New lower control arms. Nice. Are those for the front or the rear?
For the rear.
Ooh, okay. Looks like he's on stock lowers in the rear right now.
No, it has the older Terraflex style that
Oh, okay. I see
wore
it
out.
now. All right.
And now it's getting the nicer, newer, updated ones.
Nice. Just some trail maintenance, getting it trail ready again. All
Yes,
new,
sir.
all new center link, drag link ends, all that good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet. All right. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate that. Please don't spray me again. That was kind of scary. All right. Did you see that? Got me right in the belly.
And then there's one over here that's got to go up there. Okay. Hi. What are you doing?
Hi.
What are you
How are you?
Hear you?
I would not pull that trigger inside of there.
That's what that is.
Yeah.
Is this loaded?
Oh, it's loaded. It's locked and loaded. That's
Really?
that's been modified as well.
Yeah.
It's very strong.
High pressure.
Yes.
Jet stream.
Yeah, you gotta practice some trigger discipline with that one. Otherwise,
Okay.
it'll
Right on.
backsplash you pretty good.
Yeah.
So I like this burnt orange. What you doing to this bad boy? It looks like it's missing a few things.
Yeah, I came in with a flat tire, so I'm just putting the spare tire on
Oh,
real
you're putting
quick.
a spare tire on
Yeah.
right now? That's sweet.
Yeah.
That's all right.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are we actually doing?
Oh, actually, so there was some issues with the HVAC box inside here, so we got a new HVAC box and had to pull the entire dash apart and put a new HVAC box in it.
Nice. So whole dash and sub dash comes out?
Everything.
Everything? All of it?
Yep. So we're actually going back together right now.
Oh.
Yeah.
I like it. And it's a lot of wires, dude.
Lots of wires, lots of screws, lots of computers that are on the floor behind me.
You can see that.
Yeah.
Looks like you got the speakers back there too.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Well, sweet. Thanks, Charlie. It's good to have you back after you saved the day in PV again.
Yep. 3 days.
3 days.
3 days in PV.
You're a good man, Charlie.
Yep.
Good man. All right, give me that back. Well, I've told you guys it's going to be short and sweet, so that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you next week.